Welcome to Monoprice. My name is Tyler, and today I will be teaching you how to use and set up the Creation Workshop application for the first time with your new Monoprice SLA printer. Keep in mind that the software that we're talking about is only compatible with Windows and Linux operating systems, so sorry Mac users, but you're not going to be able to use this on those computers. So the Creation Workshop application will be supplied on the thumb drive that comes with the printer when you first receive it. It is also available for download on our website at the bottom of the product page for the SLA printer. It's going to be called Creation Workshop on the product page. But once you do have those files, you're going to want to get the zipped or compressed folder that contains all the files and move the folder that has those files to a place where you can find it later in case you did need those. After you move it there, you're going to want to unzip it and then open the folder. You will find the application in the folder labeled Creation Workshop Monoprice DLP. Create a shortcut, then drag and drop the shortcut onto your desktop and open the application. Once you've opened it, you're going to click on the Configure tab that's going to be at the top of the screen and then click Configure Slicing Profile. In the bottom right of the corner, there will be a section labeled Export Options. Click here if it is not already checked for export to CWS, and click Apply Changes button on the top of the current window. Now you're going to want to go to the top left of the screen to the Configure Machines tab. Here we have our display settings. Ensure that the Configure Display option is set to display 2 and 1440p resolution, 2560 by 1440. After making those changes, please click and apply changes on the top of the screen and restart the application. Changes are going to be saved, and you will not need to do anything else there ever again. Using an SLA printer is not like a standard 3D printer because the 3D printer uses UV reactive resin that is cured by ultraviolet light instead of standard filament that only uses heat. So, to use the new type of resin, you need to calibrate the light exposure times because their value varies depending on the resin brand, type, color, so on and so on. Depending on which SLA printer you own, the next step will not apply. For the mini SLA printer, you will now input the model you wish to create, generate, support with wraps, and make any orientation changes. Next, you're going to want to finalize your resin properties and save the scene. Now you may slice the model depending on how many layers you have. This can take a few minutes. Don't save the scene again. This is going to cause problems with the now sliced file and the print will fail. Finally, what you're going to want to do is copy the CWS file to the thumb drive and insert it into the printer. Then you can start printing. If you own the standard mini SLA printer without the LCD screen, after you slice the model, you simply press print on the software screen. Congratulations! You've successfully set up Creation Workshop and can now begin printing. We hope you enjoy it. My name is Tyler with Monoprice. Thank you for watching. Oh, and don't forget to check out monoprice.com for 3D printing products and further support.